Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some paper pads I have that I'm trying to, work through so I can be done with them. I have these 3 from the Stamps of Life. I received them in card kits. I do have a playlist of the card kits that I've unboxed and projects I've made. I'll leave them right here. If you've enjoyed these videos, I would love for you to follow me along on this crafty journey. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and sharing this video with a crafty friend. It does help me out. These 3 paper collections I have, they're all 6x6. The one is You Got This. The other is Best Wishes. And the other is Special Friend. And so there's about 8 to 12 sheets in each of these to work through. I'm going to start with this one and I will be back to show you what I've gotten. Okay, so these is what I have left in good size pieces. Otherwise, they're just strips that are less than a inch and a half long. And so I put them actually in a scrap folder that I have of Stamps of Life papers, and they're just in here, and eventually I'll use them to make cards. And I will show you. I did use some of them, some scraps tonight, so I'll show you those cards as well. So I did use Call Me Crafty Al's December card layout kit that she has, or layout sketch that she has. She does one every month. I will leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go check her out. But this was the December sketch, and then she leaves you the dimensions and how to cut them out on the paper, placement of it on the sheet so you can cut out and get the most out of your papers. I just did these all the same. So this is the layout and this is the sentiment I chose. No one deserves a happier birthday than you. It is a Stamps of Life stamp set. Sorry, it is a Stamps of Life stamp set. I'm not sure of the collection it comes with, but I did use my Crazy Creations oval die to cut the oval for the sentiments. And like I said, most of this paper is from the Special Friend collection. So I've added from past hits whatever I have left over, jemmies or die cuts or epoxy dots or anything like that. You'll see them come up. So here's one. And I did 9. The sketch and directions call for 9 cards. And then they're all blank inside, and they all have my stamp on the back. I should have used more ribbon. I didn't think of this until the last card. But when I'm using up scraps again, hopefully I can remember to use more ribbon since I have so much. So those were the cards I got, and then with the scraps I got from these as well as other kits, I made 7 additional cards. So 13 cards, and these are them. And these have different sentiments, mostly birthday, but congratulations and thank you as well. And so with some of the strips, I ended up making these rosettes. So I should have 16 cards total by using up the rest of this paper pad, the 6x6 paper pad Special Friend collection by the Stamps of Life. And this is what I have left. So I'm going to end this video. Watch for the next video, either one of these two pads that I am going to use up. So hope you're having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!